Hello Pisces, this is Padma Bodh Divine Reading and we are doing your general reading. Let's see what is going on in your overall energy. Pisces, 26th to 31st of December. High Priestess, Ace of Pentacles. You want something really big and concrete, solid. क्या खिचड़ी पक रही है भाई मन ही मन. Ten of Pentacles, The Chariot, Magician. बिल्कुल कुछ तो खिचड़ी पक ही रही है. Something new. Ace of Wands is also there. Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. You want something really good for your family. Maybe you want car because you got the Chariot with Ten of Pentacles. You want a brand new car, nothing else. Oh, Pisces. And you are very passionate for this. It could be any vehicle, car, truck, new bus for your um, maybe you in your work front. You are doing this transport business and you are manifesting it really hard. In Hindi we say that चाहिए 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 मुझे यही चाहिए और कुछ नहीं चाहिए भगवान. मुझे इस साल यही चाहिए मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. तो you want big amount of money. You know that you want big opportunity, big money, big work because you want a big car or you want a big amount of money to travel somewhere. Maybe yes, you want travel or maybe a horse. You want a horse ride that I want to purchase a white horse and I want a horse ride. King of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, the Sun is here, which shows that financially you are quite confident, stable, and your life is going in positive direction. And going here, the last period of 2024 is really positive, magnetic, successful for you. Whatever you wished for, you will get it. That's all. Knight of Pentacles. Anything you want, any kind of decent proposal, honest proposal. Maybe it's taking time. You are thinking that why it is taking time, but the Chariot and the Sun is here. They are showing that definitely it will come. Definitely. Any kind of good news, maybe those who are not interested in vehicle, any kind of good news, you will get it. Maybe some of you want to adopt a cat, a dog, a horse, why not? A cow, maybe. You want to adopt a tortoise, rabbit? Hmm. Fishes? You want to start your fishery business or you are interested in fisheries? Uh, yeah, you are interested in fisheries, you are interested in lotus harvesting, flower harvesting, gardening. Yes, you are very much interested in gardening, and this is your what to say. This is your in Hindi we said sankalp. Proper English, just slip that word from my mind. Uh, you are taking oath, and your this is your self. What is the word? Whatever the you want it up from in April or May. You want it, and you are determined to get it till May April, May. Yeah, you want it. This is your determination or what? Sankalp, yaar. Please write English of this. Just for it. Just that particular word slips from my mind. What is that? Why? Because word is not something extraordinary. I don't know about that. No, I think something is wrong in here. Something is wrong here, Pisces. Seven of Pentacles, no weight gain, strength. You are in power gain. Ten of Swords, I was saying. Something is wrong here. The Empress. This is your inner thought you want to share. You don't want to share it with anybody because you know that if you share it with people or anyone, your vision or your sankalp could be destroyed. And let me tell you that something is not good here because I'm not seeing it. Your vision is not. Uh, Something is wrong. Nine of Wands. You are waiting it. You are waiting for a particular thing. It could be anything. Anything. I don't want to use word spell or say something wrong about it. Maybe you want to go somewhere and yes, this is what I'm saying. Pisces are very intuitive people, and you know that something will happen and it will go twisted. Don't want to use any other word. Temperance. You can't wait any longer for this. Enough. Enough. You can't wait for it. You should wait for till April or May, but you can't. Enough. Four of Wands, the Fool. Yes, there is betrayal, any kind of betrayal, and your stability is shaking, and you are not trusting your intuition. You want something big, and it's December end. Pisces, it is December end, and you are actually, you know, your sixth sense is saying you that something is not good here. Even maybe okay, maybe you purchased you want a plot or flat or vehicle, anything, and the agent took your money and they are not delivering what you want. This is it. That's what I was thinking, that something is wrong here. Something is wrong here. Apparently, it is looking very good. The Sun card, Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. Apparently, it is looking very good. But the 10-10 energy is here, Ten of Pentacles and Ten of Swords. You you purchase something, but the agent or a builder or maybe whatever, maybe you purchase second-hand car or something, and they are not delivering it. And they are saying that it will completed in April or May. Please look after this, whatever the scene or what is your hard-earned money, your emotions are with this, and something is wrong here. Your intuition is saying that something is wrong here. I can listen this word in Hindi. ये नहीं हो सकता. In English, we can say that it is not happening. My sixth sense is saying that something is wrong here. So check all the documents and don't give your hard earned money to any of uh, you know uh, fake people, fake organizations. Please check the records before giving your hard earned money, because in temptation you are tempted very much, you are triggered. Temperance card is reversed and nine of wands is here. You are triggered, you want this right now, right now. It's like this: Genie, give me this vehicle, four-wheeler right now. Genie, give me my charter plane right now. You are in that mood, and yes, I can understand, because this is winter season. There are so many sales are going on here. Don't purchase anything in just few seconds. First, you should assure the delivery of that thing. If they are saying um, flat is ready, ready to move home is here, so check it all. Don't do this like okay, I'm in London and I'm purchasing home in somewhere in other countries, some any other country. I'm living in this country, I'm purchasing any other country, and I'm paying that person, that middleman. I'm purchasing something from middleman, and the middleman is a bluff. Don't do this. They are not delivering you whatever you are asked for. Something is wrong. Ten of Swords is here, and you know that something is wrong here. So don't take a triggered decision. Okay. So this was my duty to tell you all this. So please check before purchasing anything. ठीक है? So this is your reading for now. मिलते हैं अगले साल. Take care. Bye.